discretion to either grant bail or deny bail. So today, the court had the bail application as we made and said it will make a decision on Thursday. That will be 28th. That is 2 days from now. So the grounds that we make bail application are that every person is presumed to be innocent until he either pleads guilty or is proven to be guilty. So those are the grounds basically that we make, that we advance to court when we are making bail applications. So the court will make its decision on Thursday whether to grant or not to grant. Because court has its discretion, it can choose whichever side depending on the merits of the application.
State ya Gambia aina abantu bangi ate n'abalala bakyanoonyezebwa. What is your comment on that?
We heard that they are looking for other 18 people. You cannot tell because the church just says with others still at large. Their names are not known. We don't know when they will look for them. That one court cannot base on it. In our submission, we said court should not base on that. Deny people bail because you're still looking for others. But if they don't come, those are the advancements that we made before court.
Kanso mutwadde ku kkooti omulamuzi agambye nti otegeezezza omulamuzi nti enteesaganya zikyagenda maaso kituufu
tugambye nti if they can give these people freedom, temporary freedom to be out on bail, then they will be able to initiate, to proceed with the negotiations and reconciliation processes. We have been encouraged always to make sure that these people, whenever you have a complaint, whenever you have a dispute in court, we make sure that we advise parties to explore the mediation and reconciliation processes so that we can have these cases reduced in court unnecessarily. If parties can reach an agreement, then the matter can be closed, having reconciled with one another. And actually, in the society that we live in, it is better when we handle cases with reconciliation. And that's the point we are trying to make, that now, because they were raising issues as we have not approached the victims. And now we said, how do you approach the victims when you're still on remand? So we raised it as a ground of granting bail so that the accused persons can be able to go and reconcile with the suspects, with the victims.
Otegeeza koti nti buwolereza musajja w'amaanyi era public figure mu ggwanga lino ekitasobola kumulemesa, ekitasobola kumuleetera kutaataganya kunoonyereza kwa kkooti, naye ate state nategeeza nti nno olw'amaanyi gaabo tekisobola kubanga kimulemesa kutaataganya kunoonyereza.
Yes, we responded to that issue in respect of interfering with the investigations. We said our client has not been involved in any criminal cases and he has no criminal record. So you cannot charge him and actually convict him that he will interfere with witnesses and investigations when you have not presented any evidence that this person has ever interfered with any of the investigations or he has been found guilty of any charges. So we maintain the fact that he is presumed innocent until he is proven guilty. By saying that he will interfere with investigations, it means that we have already prejudged him that is going to actually cause chaos, which is not the case. And I stated to court that when we are interviewing our clients, we talked to them and they actually said they have no intentions and they even don't have the capacity to interfere with any person's witnesses.
State avudde nategeeza nti nno mwabo abamu ku balumizibwa okuba nti baakubibwa alien skin n'ekibinja kye omu ku bo ali critical nnyo. In fact avuddeyo n'agamba nti omuwaabi owokubiri ali critical nnyo. Mwavuddeyo ne mulabako oba ne musobola okugenda kumulabako embeera gy'ali.
Tusabye kooti on that issue that they should grant these people bail so that they can follow up and look at the victims, their situation. We said, first of all, the happenings happened on Friday, so the timing is still very short to judge whether we have visited or we have not visited. So we said that, actually when I was talking to the victim, he said, now how do I visit someone when I'm still in custody? I can only visit this person if I am granted temporary freedom, which is bail application, which is a bail, granting bail.
If the complainant is available before then, he should appear, but I'm retaining the date of 9. Since you want to reconcile, the report cannot stop. Obey the complainant, obey the statement. Handling CRD 10-449, case number
Voilà,